What is supply chain sustainability? Supply chain sustainability refers to making supply chain decisions and implementing processes with strong consideration for their environmental impact. Companies that value a sustainable supply chain commit to reducing waste and carbon emissions, limiting water, fuel, and general energy consumption, and ensuring the suppliers they work with do the same. What is sustainable supply chain management? Sustainable supply chain management involves valuing those elements of sustainability in a supply chain strategy alongside the traditional supply chain management factors of speed, reliability, transparency, and cost savings. Ideally, these values can all live alongside one another rather than in conflict, as often taking sustainable steps saves money, though sometimes there are either-or decisions. What are some sustainable supply chain practices? There are a number of steps companies can take to make their supply chains more sustainable, including choosing the most environmentally friendly freight mode, consolidating shipments to fully use container or trailer capacity and only shipping what's needed when it's needed, investing in green technologies and equipment to be used in the manufacturing, packaging, and shipping process, ensuring suppliers are ethically sourcing raw materials with minimal environmental impact and making changes to suppliers if they don't, implementing circular supply chain practices to reuse discarded materials and remake them for resale rather than throwing them away. Why should companies care about sustainable supply chains? Survey says, because it's clear that customers care about sustainability. And after all, making customers happy and retaining them is kind of the bottom line in business. 81% of respondents to a UK-based survey by Smartest Energy said they'd be more likely to choose a brand with a positive approach to environmental sustainability. In another study by McKinsey specifically on fashion, 2/3 of those surveyed and 75% of millennials said they consider sustainability when making a purchase. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, says green and sustainable practices can make your company more marketable. So companies implementing sustainable supply chain practices should not just do it, but proudly show their work, as it makes a difference to customers. Need help making your supply chain more sustainable? At Intech, we value sustainability too, as we are an EPA SmartWay certified logistics provider, so we can bring our commitment to sustainability to your supply chain strategy without sacrificing performance. Give us a call at 317-208-5565 or visit our website www.intechfreight-logistics.com and hit the Request a Quote button. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.